Hi everyone, what is going on? My name's Jamie Palmer and welcome to another episode with the Binary Destroyer 7.0. Now today's date is the Tuesday the 17th of December, and if you watched yesterday's video you will know that this is the full final trading week of 2019 because obviously next week is Christmas. Now I don't think I'm going to be doing any live trading today. This is basically just a quick video to show you how well the Binary Destroyer has performed today. Okay, now I just want to quickly show you. Okay, look at these beautiful buy here, but this beautiful. Let me just hold on. I haven't listened. I've literally just loaded up my charts now. Let me just set everything up, and I can get all my settings along the top because. Right, that's better. I can actually do something now. Okay, look at this beautiful sell with the trend. And I've said it time and time again in my videos. When you get a BDR with the trend, always delivers. Okay, now you can see at the bottom here that this trade was against the trend. Okay, you can see the RSI was oversold. It's turned red, and also the TCA line has come out of the zone. Okay, so this is a good buy, but obviously it is against the trend. Okay, if you're a risky trader you might take this. If you're more of a, you like to hold on to and be patient, you might not take it, but that's still a good trade. Now this trade here is the icing on the cake. Okay, so let me just break it down. Okay, if I just zoom in here, okay, we started off here. Okay, we had a beautiful buy on USD CAD. Now you can see price is going sideways. Now the good thing about these zones now is they no longer repaint. So we can get a good clear indication on what the market is doing now is by looking at these zones because they don't move. So you can see how price went sideways for quite a while. If I just bring it up here. Okay, again, we had a beautiful buy in this kind of ranging market here. You can see the RSI turned red. So again, this would be a really nice trade in a ranging market. Now you can see we had a breakout move here. Okay, and we had a strong rally up. Now these trades at the top, even though they were winners, they were against the trend. Okay, you can see we had a big push up, the zones were facing up. So if this was me personally, I would probably avoid to taking these trades, okay, because they're against the trend. So I might avoid taking them. But since these sell signals here, okay, we just had a big trend down, and you can see here we had a trend down, we had a pullback, we popped a beady arrow with the trend, and then we continue down now. Okay, so that was a beautiful icing on the cake. If BD members were trading the 7.0, which they obviously aren't at the minute because it's not released, they would have made, in fact, you would have got around 30 pips off the 1 minute charts from this setup here. And then now you can see here we had a nice buy again. And price has just been going sideways since that, as you can see. What's also good about this trade at the bottom, okay, is you can, when you're trading Forex, you can always target the top and bottom of the zone. So you can take the trade here and target the top here, and then vice versa with this trade. This trade here, you take it at the top, you target the bottom zone at the bottom here, and then at the top here with this one here, you take it at the top and then target at the bottom of the zone here. USD JPY as well, I noticed, we might actually get I'm going to take this trade. I'm actually going to take this trade. Let me pause the video and I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to take this trade, right? If it pops a, we are popping one. Hold on. USD JPY. Okay, USD JPY. I'm going to go for a 5 minute expiry and I'm going to stack these trades. I'm going to wait for the timer to go down. I'm going to take one there. I'm going to take another one, and I'm going to take another one, and I might take, yeah, that's it, I'm going to leave it at that. Okay, now there's a reason why I took this trade. Okay, now first of all, let me break down what USD JPY has been doing today. Okay, so you can see here we had a nice buy again. You can see it's against the trend. Okay, but notice how the TCA lines come outside of the zone. That's still a nice trade. We're against the trend, but still a nice trade. Okay, so USD JPY has just been going sideways for quite a while. Yeah, I mean, nothing really happening there. But let me just explain to you why I took this trade. Now, using a bit of support and resistance, okay, you know, if you've got a bit of market knowledge, okay, can you see this? Let me just bring it up here. Can you see this nice support area here? Can you see this? Okay, you can see how price has come down into this zone, okay, come back up, come back down, and this is a nice bounce off a support area. Now, you'll probably see this better on the 5-minute charts. You might actually see a double bottom. Yeah, you can see here. See that there? Okay, you can see if I just bring it up here, that nice area of support here. Okay, so this is a good trade. And also, we've got diversions as well on the RSI. You can see here, the RSI is getting weaker, and we've got a nice support area. So that's why I entered a 5-minute expiry on USD JPY, and hopefully we close above this TCA line. Now, if you watch yesterday's video, I did £600. Yeah, I did. I've just wrote it down here. I've done £600 yesterday, and if these trades come in, that's another £225. I wasn't actually planning to do any trading today. I wasn't planning to do any, so that's 225 plus 600, so £825 for the week. And touch wood, these come in the money. We're struggling at the minute. Yeah, look, you see, we're not actually closing above this TCA line. We're actually rejecting off it. But then again, we have got this support area with engulfing candle as well. Look at the signal candle. This is also another confirmation. Looking at the actual signal candle, what does it tell me? Okay, it tells me that we're bouncing off this support area, and we've got a nice engulfing candle with a signal arrow. Now, obviously, hopefully we do start to close above this TCA line. That would be nice. Let's look at what USD JPY is saying. Euro USD. Let me just get rid of this. I'm just going to get rid of this box here, because I was just... How do I get rid of the box? Hold on. Okay, we actually also had a nice buy as well on... Did we... we didn't. We had a sell. So we had a sell. Let me just pop this like this. We actually had a sell on Euro USD. That's interesting. I thought we had a buy. So we've had a sell on Euro USD at the top here, and as you can see, pretty much since that sell, we've been trending down ever since there, and now price is going sideways. So not really a lot happening. AUD USD. AUD USD. Okay, we popped a signal here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would have been a nice 5-minute expiry. Would have been a winner there. We had, did we have any signals at the bottom? No. We had a nice sell at the top. Now, this is the sort of trade that I would take trading this time of the year, because like I said, if you watch yesterday's video, you want to be very selective with your trades. But I quite like this setup because we're in a ranging market. Notice how the zones are going sideways. Okay, so this is not with the trend, it's not against the trend, it's just basically basically a sell in a consolidating market. You can see here we came out the zone, popped a signal and dropped. So that would be a sort of trade that I would take any day of the week. You know, if it was this time of the day or whatever. I like taking trades when the price is going sideways, because it's not with the trend, it's not against the trend. What we're looking at, USD JPY. Okay, you can see here. Okay, you can see here. Okay, this is going to be a nice winner. Okay, look, you notice we just started to close above that TCA line. We're just closing. Hopefully we stay above it. Well, we're definitely going to stay above it. So, very short and sweet video, everyone. But yeah, as you can see, another 100% day. And hopefully I can finish this week's trading week off clearing £1,000 profit. That would be nice to end the final trading week of the year. So yes, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, like I said, drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com. Look, just quickly, when this TCA line starts to turn green, okay, that would be again another icing on the cake. So yes, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and thank you for watching.